Want to turn your images into Ghibli style right now? ChatGPT is the most likely tool used to generate the Ghibli style images, but unfortunately, that is limited and not free. So don't worry about that. Today we will generate unlimited and free Ghibli style images. And we will use Grok AI. Just go to your browser and type grok.com. This will take you to the Grok website. And let's go ahead and do a quickly sign up with my Gmail. Just make sure you are using Grok 3. Now let's confirm how many Ghibli style art images can you generate for me. I can certainly help with generating images in Ghibli style, but before I do, I just want to confirm, would you like me to create some Ghibli style art images for you? How many would you like? Can you confirm your limit? Let's see. I don't have strict limit on how many I can create. Let's generate the first image with Grok and we will convert that image to Ghibli style. That's great. Now let's turn these images into Ghibli style. And here we got the amazing results from Grok AI. Now let's quickly go ahead and turn another image into Ghibli style. Nice. This is what we are looking for. Now let's ask Grok to generate another art style. Now see the perfect results of generating clay art style. Now, what if we want to make a slight change to our existing images? Let's ask Grok AI to turn the glass of water into the glass of juice. Incredible. It's really similar to ChatGPT 4.0. So for now, I think we can use Grok AI perfectly to generate different art style images, including Ghibli AI. Now, finally, let's go to our image generation history and download the images one by one to our computer. I hope you like this quick video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next one.